Here we go. 2015 Lexus RX 350 Premium Package. This vehicle's a Southern car with one owner. Got no accidents on it. Perfect Carfax. Brand new Michelins. Heated and cooled leather front power memory seats. Power rear gate. Factory sunroof. Navigation, backup camera, premium sound, auxiliary line in. This car only has 38,000 miles on a 2015.
Now, don't laugh, but
non-smoker.
what's that man's name?
Super nice car inside and out.
I'll tell y'all about it later. I'm taking these
Nothing
cars.
like the ride of a Lexus. This car is going to qualify for 3 months or 4,500 miles on the complete drive line. It's also going to get a perfect Carfax, and you can get approved on this car. Starting down payment through our guaranteed credit approval program is going to be about $15.95 on this car. Don't miss out. DasCleveland.com.